Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, my name's Laura. If you're not, hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to be baking protein brownies. On my last video you would have seen that I did some chocolate brownies included in like a vlog kind of day, but today is just a video about protein brownies. So today I'm going to be making white chocolate brownies and I'm using this protein powder from Protein World. This one is really nice. It literally just tastes like Milky Bar. It's absolutely unreal. I actually didn't really used to like white chocolate, but since having this like every day in my oats, I love it. So yeah, this is also really good protein, 31 grams of protein per serving. So I'm going to be putting in about half a mug of the protein powder in with the recipe. It's always measured in mugs or cups, this recipe that I use, but it's a really good recipe and I've just stuck with it. I use it quite a lot, I just change bits and bobs. But yeah, so this is the powder I'm going to be using. This is Protein World, so if you do want to get your hands on this and try my protein brownies, please do use my code. I'll leave it up here or here for you, and that gives you 40% off. So I've got all my ingredients out and I'm going to start baking. I'm going to be following a similar recipe to what I did before. So I baked those really nice chocolate ones. If you've watched my previous video then you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm basically using the same recipe, but I'm just going to change the chocolate, the dark chocolate or the milk chocolate, whatever I use, to white chocolate, and I'm going to use my white chocolate protein powder here. So hoping it works. I'm kind of just winging it. I can't find a decent white chocolate brownie recipe. I don't even know if it's really a thing, or is it called a Blondie? I think it's a Blondie. Let me have another little look. Otherwise I'm just going to do this one because I think it will work. So I've got some white chocolate chips which I'm going to mix in with the mix, and then I've got some Kinder chocolate which I'm going to pop on the top. Almond butter, third cup protein powder. I've done cocoa powder no because I'm replacing for white. I've got the baking powder, the salt, the coconut, well I've done butter. I've got my eggs in there, sugar, vanilla extract, and now I just need to chop the chocolate. So they are in the oven now. I've just put them in for 20 minutes. They look absolutely unreal. I did use the same recipe as I did last time. I just found it on Google. It's really good. It's the one I used before for the chocolate ones, but I just replaced it for white chocolate. But hopefully it's worked. I didn't have almond flour again, so I've just used normal flour. But last time it turned out really nice, and then this time I've just popped in white chocolate. And as you saw, I just topped it with Kinder Bueno bars, or just not Kinder Buenos, Kinder bars. I just topped it with the little Kinder bars, and that looks really nice, just to give it like a bit of extra flavour, because I didn't know if it would just be a bit plain, like white. But yeah, that's got 20 minutes, and then once it's cooked, I will show you guys. So here is my finished piece. I am a bit baffled. Well, I'm not baffled, because I used self-raising flour instead of plain flour, because it's all I had, and it has risen and it looks like a cake. I don't really care, because it means it's a white chocolate cake. But also, can anyone tell me why my chocolate has sunk and is like swimming in there? Hello. I don't know. But anyway, it looks good. And it smells really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna cut it up and then try a little bit of it, but it smells absolutely amazing. So that is my white chocolate brownie recipe, even though it actually looks like a cake, so maybe I should just call it a white chocolate cake. But isn't a brownie a cake anyway? Like, what even is a brownie? I don't know. It's not like a flapjack, is it? So it is basically a cake. But yeah, this actually looks like a cake. The other one I made was like flatter and thicker, and it looked like a brownie. But anyway, you can always follow your own recipe, but just use this for inspiration. But yeah, I will leave my code again on the screen somewhere here for you, and that gives you 40% off. I'm going to wrap this video up now. I'm going to flip the kettle on, have a cup of tea, enjoy my brownie. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!